What's the meaning of B/W? B/W. B/W.
B/W. B/W. B/W is an abbreviation commonly used to represent black and white. In the context of digital images, B/W refers to images that only display shades of black and white, with no other colors visible. This is achieved by converting a color image to grayscale format. Converting an image to black and white can enhance its clarity and contrast, making it easier to identify details and patterns. This effect is often used in photography and graphic design to create striking and minimalist visuals. By removing the distraction of color, B/W images can communicate a sense of timelessness and simplicity, and are often associated with classic and elegant aesthetics.